This is a good bundle of supplements, Clear Joint Support and Clear Ultimate Menopause Support. The brand sent me these to try out, and they are really good quality. Here is what the supplements look like. There is a 30-day supply of each. This one has 90. You take 3 of these a day, and this one has 60 because you take 2 a day. Definitely the ultimate combo right here. You have probiotics and a botanical blend, and you have some turmeric and MSM as part of these as well. Really good quality supplements, and this one has soy-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, and non-GMO, and they're made in the US. These great supplements all around, and I like that you can see in the bottle, see how many you have left, and it just makes it a lot easier, and the lids are really easy to get on and off if that's something you struggle with. So yeah, definitely recommend these supplements and this brand. They are great.